Enti abusia for Game Boy ye friend no eye Felarona ne danya okoto ye ewo East Legon na o chire mu o turn $200,000 no yes and am look say the eja ato edan ni mu abusia one fa pin edan mu nyema ni nyina ahye na ono ngo ba be di nkomo akansem but before say ba kotie di o kan ye no ye ni kan enkohwe abra eja eto edan mu ho no ye enkohwe de na etwagu ene abra eye fire service for ebe piemu ewo ho no de na ekoso ho nyina na obusia ye enkohwe ye wi a e wa kotie ono kasa no nu mu nsem a wade tudwa after say eja eto ne dem ho no meso say over subscribe to your channel send the update nso etomo nso wenya bi ati ye nkotie ye course ewo embra.
Hey Charlie. Oh Charlie. Why still with the band? Hey. The back there with the band. If the back there. Charlie. Oh Charlie, yeah, still that's in the band. Oh Charlie. Hey Charlie. Okay. What's going on? Why be what? This thing be what? The sofa will bend like that. Charlie Bado. This be small bedroom set for. Why you the child?
Hey, everything for the house inside Ben. Everything for my room inside Ben. Everything Ben in the house.
Yabusia we see the etwagu ewo abra eja eto eye Felarona ne dan a woto ye wo East Legon no yes over $200,000 yes eno na eja atomu no a wan fahwe ewo mu no na ono ankasa ababedi nkomo on say Game Boys for there eja we there say ye kiti bi what you say obetumi reset bibia within 24 hours because Game Boys for there ewo mo na abusia yenkotie de ono ankasa odi tudwa ewo abra eja no ano eba fom no oba bedi nkomo achiechire ensemu de nti eja no eden eba ye ni na oba be kasa na yenkotie ono ankasa na no musem a odi tudwa.
Okay, so yesterday my house got burnt as earlier on I did a video. So I have to come here today to check up on the things. So you can even see what is going on here. Come inside. Everything is good. Yeah, so come this way. This was my living room. And the living room, as you people can see, everything in the house. That's very, very sad. My TV unit, my PS5, everything got bent. So come here to it. Everything. You suffer for everything and you lose it just one day. Yeah. So this was my master's bedroom, and if you can see everything burned to ashes. Couldn't even take a dime. Couldn't even take a dime. You know, sometimes you question yourself that, you know, God, why? Because, you know, I used to help people. So why would you let such a thing happen to somebody like that? But such is life. You can get everything a day and lose it the same day. It's fine. So come here. The guest room. Guest room to me. Yeah. So somebody will say, why is he so calm like that? You know, if you are somebody that you know you have faced reality of life, certain things like this doesn't move you. Like if you are somebody who has really experienced a lot in life, you know this is part of life. Yeah. It is what it is. So come here. You know, my studio monitors. Everything. We still move. I don't know. Me myself, I'm surprised like how I'm handling things. Very cool like this. Yeah. But it's fine. Yeah, I went to drop Wi-Fi at the airport. So when I was on my way coming, somebody called me and the person was like, "Oh, your house is burning." And when I came, the entire house is burnt. Show them. Here's my master bedroom. The master bedroom, everything is burnt here. Show them the sofa here. I mean, show them here. Everything is burnt. Everything in the house. Let's go to the guest room. Everything in the house is burnt. Everything in the house is burnt. Everything. This is the master bedroom. This is guest room. This is where Jason used to stay. All the bed, the TV, everything is burnt. Let's go to the studio. Everything is burnt. Everything is burnt to ashes. That's very, very sad, but. And this is my hall too. See, everything, the entire house. Yeah, the entire house, everything is burnt. And you know, for me, I'm a strong person. Something doesn't kill you, make you stronger. So, you know, we're still grinding, you know. It's very painful, like, you know, putting shit together, buying a house, and, you know, you just... One funny thing, I was home the whole time in the morning. So, what my activity for today was just to go to the airport and, you know, just 15 minutes and, you know, I don't know if it's intention, somebody purposely did that or I just don't know, but... For now, this is the case. Everything, my clothes, everything. If you can watch my PS5, everything in the house. You see, yeah, everything. And one funny thing too is, this is the clothes I wear to the airport. Now I don't have anything again. What's left is what I'm wearing. Come outside too. Come and show them something. So, if you can see, this one too is my sofa. The sofa in the house, the sofa in the living room. Yeah. My PS5. That's my PS5 right there. The PS5 right there. The house, the entire house. The entire house. Yeah, I think my furniture's too. Yeah, if you can see this one. Now show them the house. So just show them the house. Everything is bent. That's a sad story, but how we go do 'em. That's the sad part. Everything. Yeah. That's my kitchen here, more than Titanic. I think these people took the ladies away. Crap. Not easy.
Enti na abusua we nso ye de ekoso e wo Game Boy Felerona ne side no yes eja e na ase ne bibia no a o chire ne nsem no umi se Ghana de ebesi bia no na wo de aseda amanyankopɔ because unu obi a oba be support o abusua ma me hu wadwen kire e wo comment section wo wie nso ani de mu na wa subscribe to your channel no said the update bia nso etoma onsa be kebi na wa share ato other platforms so area amaye kete wo se enye dodo no nwura makra bye bye.